y'all, so my hair is freshly washed. As you can see, I used a pre-poo, a shampoo, and a DIY hair mask. And now today I'm gonna be trying a new tool called the Octocurl, and basically it like goes on the head like this, and then I'll wrap my hair around it. So let's see what kind of results we get. So I'm hoping to get a bang, but I don't think I will because of how it's made. So I'm just gonna make sure I have a middle part. Maybe I can like fluff my hair afterwards, like when I take it out, but we'll see, we'll see. Okay, so I'm gonna apply my moisturizer all over my hair first. So I'm using my DIY hair butter. I'm almost out of the first jar and I have a second jar here. And if you wanna see that tutorial, that is linked up in the cards here. I hope I'm pointing in the right direction. So I'm just gonna like smooth it on my hair just overall at first. And then when I'm done this, I need to go and get my detangling brush. Alright, so this jar is done for. Just using the next jar. It's still very creamy. When I run out of the second jar, then I'm gonna make another batch and I'm gonna show you guys, of course. So I see it clips. Oh, it does. Both sides has clips and it has an adjustable tab. There's 8 sets of strips, so there's 16 in total. So I would like put it on like this. So for it to not bunch up, I think I'm gonna have to flat twist the tops of my hair. So I'm gonna make like 8 flat twists. I'm only gonna flat twist the top part, like just this part out. So this part will be snatched up into the strips. Since it's exposed, I'm gonna put some butter on it, clip it down so it's not in my way. So if you had a sew-in before, this is kind of like leave out, sectioning out, leave out, but it's not really gonna be leave out. So like the whole top section I sectioned out is gonna be flat twisted to this point. You'll see. Okay, so now you guys can see what I'm saying. Apply the butter, tangle it, and then flat twist down to right here. That's one, this is number 2. Okay, so I finished the flat twist. I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I guess now we can put the Octocurl on. I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna adjust this a little bit. Okay, all right. So I got it on. Let's start with this section here front. It is a bit tricky to see because I have to detangle. I'm just gonna guesstimate. For the first one, I'm gonna make it. Here, how about we do this? Put this out the way so I can see what I'm not using out the way. Okay, so this is already detangled. So I'm gonna take this, wrap it around this leg. I'm gonna try to do a wand curl, so I just want to make sure my ends are in tight, and then I'm gonna wrap the rest of the leg upward, rubber band it on, I guess, and then that's one of them. Let's do another. So this one, I'm gonna clip these out the way, and I'm gonna go underneath, part it out, and then part this over here. I'm gonna take some butter, smooth it on, and detangle up, and then same thing. I'm gonna wrap it like a wand curl this leg, and then I'm gonna wrap my ends around each other. Now I'm gonna take out the excess butter. I'm gonna just wrap the leg around the ends first and wrap it up a little bit, and then put on the tie, put it on 3 times. And that's it for that one. So let's try this third flat twist here. Let me clip these out the way. I'm gonna go underneath, try to part it out. Now let's see. This one should be split in half. Okay, so this one I'll put on this one here, wand curling, and then wrapping the leg around. Okay, so I finished with the Octocurl. So I'm gonna put my bonnet on and then go to bed, let it air dry for a little bit in the morning. Then hopefully it's ready to be taken down in the afternoon. Hey y'all, so it's the next day. Now it's time to take down the Octocurl. My hair feels dry, so let's see. Let's start with this one. Okay. Let me unsnap this just to get it out the way. So sleeping with this, it was tugging on my roots at the back. I didn't like that, but it felt like I was sleeping with flexi rods, but like it wasn't hard like flexi rods, but it still had the same feeling, same bulkiness. Yeah, just make sure when you sleep with this that you wear a large bonnet. So here I'm just taking out the curls, just feeling them to see if they're damp, and they dried really well because I used hair butter. Usually when you use hair butter, your hair will dry quicker than if you use a styler or a leave-in because it's less water. We're halfway done. If you want like 100% dry results, you want to always like set your hair the day before as early as possible, and it would be dry, especially if you let it air dry and don't cover it until it's time to go to bed. And you can also sit underneath your hair dryer if you want. This one's giving me some problems. I'm just gonna pull the octo leg out. Okay, so now I can take out the curls. I'm gonna start in the back. All right, so I'm done taking it down. Let's let the light color come in, camera color. So now I'm just gonna pick a little bit. This pick is from Pattern Beauty. It's actually really sturdy, and I like this like thumb holder here. It's pretty cool. It's really sturdy. I like it. I'm gonna go ahead and create my bang if I can. So I'm just gonna lift and pick. Okay, so these are my results. Very voluminous. It definitely was a lot of work. Something that I could have done a twist and curl for, but it's still cute. What do you guys think? Thumbs up this video, check out more like this on my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.